Hi! In front of me is REALME Narzo 60 and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access additional settings. Following that, tap on one-handed mode and click on this gray switcher in order to activate it. Now follow all of those instructions. Remember that you have to apply gestures navigation to use this mode. So now when I swipe down from the bottom of my screen, I can use my screen in this little shrink version. In order to go back, just swipe up or tap on this dark area. If you wish to disable one-handed mode completely, use the same no blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!